Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking these servos out of this timber wing and put it into this timber wing. Now I've already done it once and it's pretty easy, so I thought I would share the knowledge because I just did it. The reason I'm replacing the wing is that my two wings from Horizon Hobbies were actually a little bit splayed like this, or they were canted, so that means I would have to have a lot of aileron differential to compensate for that. So I called the company and said, hey, I sent them some pictures and they said, okay, well, we're gonna send you guys, send me some new wings. So that's pretty cool. So let me just show you how to get to that real quick and we'll get started. Okay guys, so that's it for replacing the servos. So what you'll need to do from here is when you put the wings back on the airplane is dial in with your radio the length of the push rods that are going through there, and that's about it. You'll just have to dial those in, make sure those are all accurate and everything's lined up straight. Anyway, thanks guys for joining me on this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.